Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to pause music while playing media on your accounts on Telegram, easy and quick. First click on the three lines and now click settings. Now click shot settings and now here you will find it, pause music while playing media. Just click on it like this and it will be turned on. That's it for today. That's how to pause music while playing media, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.